for the thrill of it, thrill of it. Say that it's love, but to me it's looking counterfeit. I get done with one and move right on to another bitch. College educated.
We are relaxing. These cushions are great. Salute. That is my brother getting a tattoo right now. He doesn't look too happy at all, actually. Looks like he's in some pain.
You waited. Any bill she can't front, her parents paid it.
Currently picking up my buddy. He's a surfer. We're at his crib right now. Gonna be picking him up. Then we're gonna go pick up my other buddy. I'm going out with 2 local Costa Ricans that surf hella good, and we're about to go watch them shred, and hopefully I get some shred lessons.
Smack it on the stone.
Oh, look at that. Some nice ass crack.
Yeah, buddy.
Got the surfers with me today. Wow. That is good. That's really fucking good.
It's a lion. Oh, it's a lion killer right there, man.
Was that one right there?
Yeah, they're made for killing lions, man. It's unicorn jizz.
Unicorn jizz.
That's what it is.
That's the...
My board?
That's your board. Unicorn jizz. So how often do you see like crocodiles and stuff?
Not so often, actually. Not here.
Not here? Like...
I have one right in front of you, right there.
Dude, I'm gonna jump off that shit. Crossing the river right now. Woo, we gotta go off that thing. I'm gonna say, I'm just for the guy. Woo! How often do you guys surf this break?
A couple times a week.
Sometimes a week?
Yeah.
You guys never worry about sharks, do you?
No, sharks are our friends. They're always there, you know.
Yeah. Is there any dolphins out there?
I saw dolphins one time.
One time?
One time, yeah. You're a badass.
Nah.
It was far, you the only one with a car out your girlfriends. But being that she's a big fan, of course she made it. Most girls wanna hide the fact that the thrill they chasing, but you just wanna get drunk tonight and fuck someone famous. So I just name a time and a place, and you're game for it. Value player, hotel room, meet you there.
DJ Rockstar.
Boom! Touchdown!
Shoulders are burned.
Hey, what?
Your shoulders are burned.
Oh, I'm fucking toasted. I'm fucking cooked.
I pick up the trash, bro.
Hey, boys, it was fun.
Yeah, buddy. Pura vida. Come to Costa Rica.
Shred. Woo. Later, boys.
Yeah.
I'll see you in a little bit. Good surf, chest. I dropped the side-by-side off just now. I'm back to walking, which really fucking sucks. I hate walking. I'm barefooted. We got dirt roads for days. This is our last day in Costa Rica, which kind of sucks. Like, holy shit, I can't believe we've been here for a week, but time to go. This is our day 2 on the jet skis. They were so much fun, we had to get them again. The jet ski rentals here are lit. Oh, wipe out! Skyler, you dick. Sorry, buddy. Holy fucking shit, guys. I literally just got thrown off the jet ski. I'm holding on my phone, like white knuckling it right now. I'm literally white knuckling it. We are out here on the jet skis. We're shredding in Costa Rica. Costa Rica! Yeah! Did you see me get blown off my jet ski? Bro, I was like, no! Fuck! I only got one fucking hand, so I can't really fucking hit it full speed. But that is a huge fucking wave. Mike, oh, that's a huge one coming in right now. I want to show you guys, like basically, oh, here it comes. Oh yeah, it's forming right there. Woo! Woo! Outrun the bitch! Oh shit! Woo! I don't think you can see any of that. I fell off the damn jet ski. Look at this. Can you see the water that's coming out of my wallet? Yeah! I got wet colognes, wet money. You know, we got that wet money. And I got 2 mojitos. That is so sick. Fucking view and a half, guys. You guys are missing out. Oh my god. That's where Michael got stuck on the beach, right over there. I'm taking the biggest piss of my life. Like, I'm still peeing. Holy tits. So to end the day, I got a coconut rum along with a beautiful sunset and a beautiful mommy. Cheers.
Salud.
Salud. Welcome to Matt's World, guys.
Just traveling the world.